For this problem, we want to solve this equation, which is x to the 4 plus 12x cubed plus 44x squared plus 72x plus 36 equal to 0. We know that, of course, there is no standard method to solve this equation. But when we look at this equation closely, we see term like x squared to the power of 2, or the constant is 6 squared. And that gives us a hint that this equation may be close to x squared plus ax plus 6 squared. Now if we expand this, we get x to the 4 plus a to x squared plus 36 plus 2a x cubed plus 12 x squared plus 12 ax. And we then try to come up with a proper value for a. If we factor this, so x squared plus ax plus 6 squared is equal to x to the 4 2a x cubed. We factor the x squared term. We have a 2 plus 12. Then we have 12ax and plus 36. By comparison with the original equation, we realize that a has to be 6 because we have the coefficient of x cubed as 2a, and here we have 12. And also that a matches the 72x. So here we realize that 2a has to be 12 and a has to be 6. So we expand this, we rewrite it again. So this a now has to be 6. So we have x to the 4 plus 12 x cubed plus 48 x squared plus 72 x plus 36. Now we compare this with the original problem here, and we realize that all the terms matches except this 48, which is 44 here. So our equation for the problem, which is x to the 4 plus 12x cubed plus 44x squared, 72x plus 36 would be equal to x squared plus 6x plus 6 squared minus 4x squared. So the difference of 44 and 48 here is this minus sign, and this is equal to 0. So this is like a squared minus b squared. Which is a minus b times a plus b. So our problem here would be converted to x squared plus 6x plus 6 squared minus 4x squared would be converted into x squared plus 6x plus 6 minus 2x times x squared plus 6x plus 6 plus 2x. And that has to be equal to 0. So first we look at the first term of this, which is x squared plus 6x with the 2x, that would be plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. So that is a minus b, or this equation here, and x would be equal to, we use the standard method, solution of quadratic equation. A is 1, b is 4, and c is 6. So it's minus b plus or minus a square root of 16 4 squared minus 4ac minus 4 times 1 times 6 divided by 2. And this would be equal to minus 4 plus or minus a square root of 16 minus 24 is 8 divided by is minus 8. So this has imaginary root, and this would simplify further into minus 2 plus or minus I a square root of 2. So these are complex roots, 2 of the roots of our equation. Next, we set this term to 0. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. X would be minus 8 plus or minus a square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6 divided by 2. That would be minus 8 plus or minus square root of, the square root would be 40 divided by 2. And if we simplify this would be equal to minus 4 plus or minus a square root of 10. So we have two real roots and two imaginary root for this equation here.